What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have something I've been wanting for a couple years now. All right, so right now we have a Xbox Series X. This thing is unavailable at Walmart. It's unavailable at Target. It's unavailable at GameStop. This thing is just unavailable. When it comes out, it's sold out. I want to send a special thanks to Sam's Club, even though they didn't send this to me, which would have been nice, but my channel ain't that big for all that. So they didn't send this to me, but I have been waiting for this, and no, I was not going to even pay over $1,000 for this thing. You must be crazy if you think I'm gonna pay $1,000 just for a system. Not happening. Okay, so let's get down to the bottom of this. This is going to be a quick reviews. These little quick reviews is just real quick. This is an immaculate build right here. So I got all this stuff right here, for a whopping $630. $630. With all this right here is way more than $630. This is about a $300 saving that I'm about to tell y'all. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive, 4K, 120 frames per second. Let's put these to the side right now because these two are the most important thing that's out this process. It comes with a remote in here. Most systems do. That alone is $500. Then they're giving you a extra controller. And then they're giving you a wireless headset, rig wireless headset. I looked up this stuff separate just to see the pricing on this stuff separate. So 5, 6, 7, this is almost $700 right here. So we are already at $100 savings. And on top of that, I have a 3-year warranty, which was an extra $70. 3-year warranty. Keep your receipt, keep your warranty. Everything is digitally saved, right? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today, like I told y'all earlier, we are going to do an unboxing on the Xbox. I know my audience is more about tools and, you know, smart stuff that's dealing with the home and stuff like that. But we are going to review this, and if you like it, please leave a like. I'm gonna let my kids do the unboxing. Yeah.
Alright, so this is the main Xbox. I haven't seen one of these in like how much months? Maybe like since last year I've seen it.
Yeah, and out of stock, right? Fabric.
Whoa! Whoa! I have never seen an Xbox.
Go behind the table. Go behind the table.
Yeah. Move this to the side. We're focused on the Xbox, not this.
I'm focused on the only one.
So we have one HDMI.
It's the HDMI out.
We have one HDMI out, which goes to your monitor, your TV, wherever you
play with.
Yeah, whatever you play with. Right here you have your power adapter. This is your power source. You have your Ethernet right here. You have your storage extension. And then you have 2 USBs just in case you have 2 wired controllers.
Yeah.
And then the front
is of course.
And if you look, this is very fingerprint friendly right there.
Very smooth though.
On the front you have what?
That's the to connect your controller.
Right
this
there.
is the Bluetooth.
That's the Bluetooth. And then you have another USB. 3 USBs.
And this is where you put discs in.
Yeah.
Like,
and luckily this model is not the digital only model. I'm not buying games digitally. And I probably won't be buying no games anyway because I don't really play games like that. So here you can put your disc and you can play your Blu-ray disc, your DVDs, or whatever else you want to put in there.
Well, I mean, the main game you play is Fortnite.
Yeah, so I only play a certain amount of games anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
And you can put
we have.
And you have these little things where you can put it sideways too.
Oh.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Look. These little.
Oh, okay, the feet on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, you guys.
The
So that's about it. I'm not going to do no unboxing on this because I know this is really nobody cares. But
Yeah.
this is the main thing. So if you like that review,
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
So guys, we forgot to say about the extra
Extra controller and wires.
So, how do you open it? Okay, now we got another controller and we got
Go.
wires. Now this is the HDMI wire. Remember, the HDMI wire has like this little thing and like it's basically the same thing, but the power cord has two different ones. So always remember that when you're playing Xbox.
Oh, and it came with batteries too.
This is nice.
if you have a Sam's Club, if you have BJ's, if you have Costco's, just make sure you go online. They might have a deal. Just keep checking. We have a 4-year warranty. Yes. So if anything happens, I can take it back to Sam's Club, or Sam's Club would say, "Oh, you need to call Allstate and blah blah blah," because you know somebody don't want to do something. It always happens like that in warranties. So other than that,
Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.
Yep.
Good luck.